Hey, good morning guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we are up north. It's a beautiful, absolutely beautiful day. We're out here on Georgian Bay. So we're just getting the boat in the water right now, and we're going to head out to a quick little adventure. I saw when I was coming up that there's some Great Lake freighters, and the Chi-Cheemaun is still in the Owen Sound harbor, just because they haven't sent them out yet onto the lakes. So I think today we're going to rip into Owen Sound, check out those Great Lake freighters and the Chi-Cheemaun from the water, just so you see perspective of Sea-Doo versus these huge things, and kind of just explore the trip into the town there. So hope you come along with us. Like I said, it should be pretty interesting to see them from the water level. So let's get going and see what we can get up to, okay? Give them their space. There's a lot of swans all of a sudden up here in the last couple of years, so you got to make sure you give them their space when you're going past them and stuff. Alright guys, well, we're in downtown Owen Sound now. I don't know if you can see it, but they've taken out the bridge there. They were doing construction to the bridge, so no one can get through there. So that's as far as we can go. But while we're here, we've got the Chi-Cheemaun and one of the Great Lake freighters, Algoma Compass, in the harbor here. Absolutely crazy. Kind of cool to see, you know, them up this close and stuff like that. So we'll just do a quick little drive by and have a look. But the Chi-Cheemaun is out of Owen Sound, so every winter it is tied up here. It normally runs from Tobermory to Manitoulin Island, but in the winter time it is tied up here in Owen Sound. And then usually they bring, Algoma is one of the larger Great Lake freighter companies. They usually leave one, maybe two Great Lake freighters in Owen Sound over the winter as well. So it's kind of cool to still see them here. Unfortunately, due to circumstances, due to COVID-19. Now you can see on the back of this Chi-Cheemaun here, that back entrance actually opens up so cars can drive in and out of it. And then the front entrance opens as well, so they can drive at the front. So you just drive right in and then drive right out. very convenient. As you can see, I'm tiny against it. Look at that. It sticks out there. And then this is again one of the Great Lake freighters that moves, you know, grain, salt, pretty much anything from like one Great Lake to another. So from like Lake Michigan over to Lake Ontario or anything like that. So these are the boats that we use to get stuff around. I don't know if you can see it. Let's see if we can get a bit closer. Look at the size of the propeller on this bad boy. It's like some Indiana Jones movie right there. Indy, no! Look at that. Anyways, just to give you some scale, I am very tiny against this. Hey, look, you can see up in there. The lights are on. I wonder if anyone's home. There's the bow thruster right there. Look at that. Right through. Crazy. Pretty crazy. I look tiny against it. This right here, guys, is the Great Lakes, one of the elevators. So these like silos here would be full of like grain or any other material that the freighter I saw earlier would be either picking up or moving. So like here's one of the chutes and stuff like that, but it's huge. So like the freighter would line up along here, and then it would, you can see these chutes. So like these chutes up here would feed the elevator, would feed the tunnels, and then they have piping that comes out from underneath that allows it to go back up into these feeders and put it back in the boat when they need to. All right, guys, well that pretty much does it for this trip. I appreciate you guys coming along for the adventure. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you found it cool to check out the Great Lake Freighter and seeing the Chi-Cheemaun there in the harbor there in Owen Sound. So, although we're still in the harbor in Owen Sound, so it is what it is. But I'm just gonna make a rip back. The wind's kind of starting to pick up into the northeast, and that can get a bit rough. So I'm just gonna make my way back home, call it a day, go have some food, and we'll pick up and try and go for another adventure soon. So thanks again for checking out these videos. Thanks again for liking, subscribing. Hitting that subscribe button is always great. I love to see all you guys checking out the videos, so thank you so much for that. So continue to hit that like button, leave comments below. It's so great to talk to all you guys and everyone I've been talking with. Amazing. Thank you so much for all the comments. So keep those coming. And like I said, we'll just keep going on adventures and seeing what we can get up to. So until the next adventure, be safe out on the water. Have a great time. Peace. Guys, just look how beautiful this water is. It's beautiful. You can see down. We're like at, that's 20 feet deep right there. All right, let's get going. Right, I heard you. And like I said, we'll just keep putting some adventures on the. Oh fuck. And like I said, we'll just keep. Oh jeez. And like I said, no. I'm leaving. Like it's like 25 feet deep right here. Just because they gotta get their freighters in here. Well, that's pretty much it for this trip, guys. Just wanted to take you into Owen's. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, the cops are looking for us. Yeah, things you don't normally think you'd hear that much in Northern Ontario. Although I guess maybe. I don't know. Anyway, guys, that's golly, every time. We get it. You have to go down.